Subscribe to the Minor Detective channel, also hit the notification bell to get notified every time I post a video.
Are you a passionate gamer searching for a gaming keyboard with a minimalistic design and all the gaming features in it, also with fully customizable RGB lights? Then you have come to the right place. What's up guys, Kushal here, and this is the Cyanosa Chroma keyboard by Razer. And it has everything, literally everything which a budget gaming keyboard should have, perhaps more than that. So let's take a closer look at this awesome keyboard after this intro. So first things first, let's talk about the price. Well, if you know this brand Razer, or if you have used their product before, then you know that how pricey they are in India. But on the other hand, the quality of Razer is very promising. But for the first time, they have launched the Cyanosa Chroma keyboard in India for just 3000 Indian rupees. And it is pretty cheap compared to the keyboard features they have offered to us. So I brought this one from Amazon for 3000 rupees. And if you're also looking forward to buy this keyboard, then the best buy link will be given in the description below to save your time. Also, it will help this channel to grow faster if you buy from the description link. Anyway, talking about the box, it comes with a totally green and black box. And the front side, it's got the individual logo of LED configuration, and then the model number and the brand logo, which looks pretty premium. And here it says that it is powered by Razer Chroma, which means end of possibilities to make custom LED effects on your keyboard. On the back side of the box, it has some features highlighted about the keyboard and the price tag itself, which is 5399. And there was many more fancy stuffs about the box, but let's just take it out and see how it looks in real. Well, in the box, first you get the keyboard itself, and yes, it is a full-size keyboard. That means you get all the 104 keys on it. And the first impression is it is nicely finished and feels pretty premium in hand. So let's just keep the keyboard aside for a moment and see what we get in the box. Well, you also get a user manual for newbie guys who don't know how to control or use the features of this keyboard. So if you want, you can read, else who cares? Okay, so now let's talk about the design and the build quality. Well, I'm really impressed about this keyboard. Razer has done pretty good job with its design. They kept the simplicity of a normal keyboard and transformed it with a gaming one. With the lights off, you cannot say that it is a gaming keyboard. It just looks like the other normal keyboards. The design of this keyboard is very simple and clean, not like the one which I showed in my past video. And it will give your desk a very good look. Talking about the build quality, Razer Cyanosa Chroma is fully made of plastic, but it has a matte finish body, so it will not be a fingerprint magnet. Talking about the keycaps are nicely finished, and I'm using it for 3 days now, yet not even a single fingerprint on them. Talking about the fonts, again Razer has kept the simplicity and removed their gaming font. And I really appreciate this, because I don't know about you guys, but I like the normal font more than some gaming font, or something like that. And the font looks pretty good and maintains the simplicity of the keyboard. Talking about the keys, well, it is a membrane keyboard, but a bit more than a membrane keyboard. And Razer call it soft cushion keys, which should be better than a normal membrane keyboard. Also, the keys are backlit here with 16.8 million RGB LEDs. Thanks to the Razer Chroma hardware, you can control each LEDs individually with Razer Synapse 3 software. Talking about the LED indicators, I must say that they looks pretty premium as it produces soft light. And the white color makes it more premium, where we used to see red LEDs almost in every keyboard. Also, there are 2 extra LEDs present on this keyboard, one for gaming mode and another for recording macros. There is also a Razer logo which also lights up in 16.8 million colors and can be controlled with Synapse 3 software. Talking about the back side of the keyboard, it's got 5 rubber padding for extra grip on your desk. And it's got 2 level of height adjustment clip for better comfort. Also, there is some hole behind the keyboard to pass out the water. Oh yeah, I didn't tell you that the keyboard is also spill resistant. So if you accidentally drop some water in it, then it will survive that. And there are also some round shape cutting, but I don't know what are they. Maybe they are hiding all the screws under that, which is again a nice concept. Talking about the wire, the Razer Cyanosa Chroma has no braided wire in it. It comes with normal wire, though the wire quality is very good, because this one feels pretty thick in hand. There is also a rubber band given to bind your mouse and keyboard wires in it. And at the end of the wire, there is the Razer USB plug, which is also in green color. Looks pretty premium, right? I know. Anyway, so the build quality of this keyboard is very premium, at least for me. And as a plastic keyboard, it has a very sturdy build quality. So a big thumbs up to Razer to give this just for 3000 rupees. Okay, now let's talk about the main features and the lighting effects of this keyboard. So the Cyanosa Chroma supports the latest Synapse 3 software. And there are too many things to do on this keyboard with Synapse 3. You can create your own custom lightings, you can create macros, even you can set the timing of the keyboard lighting. You can set multiple profiles to work with, you can convert any key to a specific key or multi-key as it supports macro on fly. Also you can import or export LED effects made by someone else or made by you. And you can turn on gaming mode by clicking F9 plus F10 button, which works as a gaming key. And you can convert any key into a macro key by pressing F9 plus F9 button. And while recording a macro key, the red LED will start blinking. And once it's done, it will turn off automatically. Also you can increase or decrease brightness levels with F11 or F12 keys. And there is all the media buttons available on this keyboard. And one thing I like about this keyboard that the icons of the media buttons are also backlit. Okay, so now here's some lighting effects which is available on Synapse 3. And I made some custom effects myself and also downloaded some of them from Razer official website. So sit back and enjoy the light show. as you can see, the LEDs are very bright and very accurate in terms of color reproduction. Well, now talking about the performance, well, I recently had a mechanical keyboard which was way too old, and then I switched into this one. But as I used to use the mechanical switches, it took few hours to get used to the membrane one. But after that, the typing experience was pretty good. It feels very satisfying typing or gaming with this keyboard. But it is not like the mechanical one, but as a membrane keyboard, the typing experience is very good. Also, as it is a membrane keyboard, so the noise is very low as compared to the mechanical switches. So you can play games at midnight and nobody will scream at you. So if you're looking for a gaming keyboard under 3000 rupees, then the Cyanosa Chroma would be the best choice only if you're not looking for a mechanical one. And more like a RGB keyboard which has a tons of effects in it. And lastly, one word for this keyboard, that is, this keyboard is full of surprises. So that was pretty much of it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, then drop a like, subscribe to the channel and share this video with your gaming brothers. And of course, I'll see you guys in the next one.